Hey guys, my name's Quentin. Today I'm showing you how to install your rim cap on your Toyota or Scion vehicle. And I will definitely show you how to install your new one on your Toyota or Scion vehicle. To insert the new one, make sure that the retention ring is attached to the rim cap like this. And then insert the new one and keep firmly pressing it until it's properly installed. And there you go. That's how you install your new rim cap on your Toyota or Scion vehicle. We installed our new rim cap on our 2004 Toyota Sienna limited all-wheel drive. Actually, it's an XLE limited all-wheel drive. And that's how you install your rim cap. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.